Hey guys, what's up? It's Robbie. It's been a long time, but I just wanted to give everyone a quick update because people keep subscribing. I'm not sure why I haven't posted, but the Speed3 is still here. Obviously, it looks a little different, which I'm going to talk about shortly. But yes, I still have the Speed3. I still drive it every day. Drove it to get coffee this morning. Still actively enjoying it. The main reason why you haven't been seeing any content is you know, been living life, new job, new house, that kind of stuff. But I still drive the Speed3, still love it. And I kind of figured I would just talk to you guys about what I've done recently to it since you've all last seen it, because it does look a bit different. And yeah, just give you all an update. So first things first, new wheels and tires, RPF 1s. The old ones were curbed to shit. It was time. These are, let's see, 16 by 8.5 plus 30, and I'm running a 245/40 Federal RSR, really meaty. Still doesn't hold second gear, it still spins, but third is good on the highway. The car feels much lighter overall, and you know, you can take turns much quicker. Obviously, the tires are much wider, much more grippy than like your factory all season. Really enjoy them overall. Second thing, new grille. As you can see, I got the GV replica that everybody gets. Pretty standard. I like the way it looks. Lets more air into my TR6 intercooler, which I got replaced, so no more shitty CX racing. Haven't done a log in a while, but the car seems to enjoy it. Pull after pull, it's a little bit more consistent. Doesn't seem to get heat soaked as quickly. So yeah, those are the things up front. Wheels, fascia, intercooler, no more ricer look, which I'm sure a lot of people will appreciate. Looks a bit more OEM plus, a little under the radar. Besides that, as you can see, if you've seen the car before, I used to have terrible rock chips and paint damage on both the hood and the front, but I have since got that fixed, so got it repainted as close to the factory color as I could match. No more terrible, like, it was just so bad. It was so destroyed up here, but because of the heat, and I had removed the factory, you know, shielding under there where the hood scoop attaches. So it was just getting really hot and the paint was just getting destroyed, but looks pretty good now. Also got the roof repainted, which I'll show you guys. So overall, looking all pretty good. It needs to get a quick, or it needs to get a detail and a polish. There are some hazy sections, but otherwise, I think it's looking pretty good. Besides that, the big thing that happened recently was the clutch and flywheel went out. I had gotten stuck in mud and just burned it up. Like, burn, baby, burn. It didn't move. So I just got the OEM replacement clutch and a lightened Fidenza flywheel. So pretty standard replacement. It's been about 1,500 miles, no issues. Really enjoying it. The lightened flywheel and the lightened wheels, the car just feels more peppy overall. Really enjoy it. But yeah, not too much has changed. It's still running and driving. Let me open it up. Have a door card now. The speakers work. It's pretty clean in here. The Corksport, what is it? Corksport steering wheel has been great. Really recommend it. The flat bottom makes it so much easier to turn. It's crazy. But yeah, that's the quick update. Let me show y'all. It still starts up. Yeah. So still running and driving, still love it. Hopefully soon. I'm just trying to make it a bit more cleaner. And hopefully I'll get something new, something with a B58, and I'll probably just make this thing faster. Thinking of PI, JMF intake, 3076, and just make this thing fast. But otherwise, guys, I'm probably gonna post some quick rolls so you know it's running good. But if If you have any other questions or freshly subscribed, just say hello. But otherwise, goodbye.